So basically, AccuJob, जैसे कि हमें पता है, they openly create a free hiring drives. So basically मुझे ये चीज़ इनिशिएटिव अच्छा लगा AccuJob का, दैट वो उस बच्चों को भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे रहे हैं जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते फीस। मुझे लगा दैट ये एक बहुत अच्छा कोचिंग सेंटर है, अभी तक किसी ने ये चीज़ सोचा नहीं था। इट वॉज अ क्वेश्चन। सो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा। एंड द CEO, ऑफ कोर्स CEO की जो बातें हैं वो बहुत अच्छी है।
Hi, Shashank, and welcome. First of all, congratulations on your offer with Adobe. I think it's a dream company. A lot of people wish to be a part, and I just want to congratulate on that. Please introduce yourself to the audience.
So my name is Shashank Vivedi, as you all know. I have 1.2 year, I think 2 year experience in my software development, and I had done multiple technologies. I have worked like front end, back end, Java, Laravel. So currently I have, as you know, I am selected in Hadoop. So it is much a very good opportunity, like learning for me. So that was
I bet that you are very, very happy with the offer. I just want to know, when you break this news to your friends and family, तो उनका क्या reaction था?
So basically, the day I got the final email, then I had told my close friends and family, and they were like, "Oh, beta, you have cracked it!" And everyone in my family and everyone gave congratulations, khush raho, and everything was there. Very funny. It was the best moment you can say in my life.
I can bet on that. Okay, so how did you actually start your journey, and what was the process of landing a company like Adobe?
Okay, so basically, talking about honestly, this opportunity was provided by AccuJob, and I had got a notification that there's a hiring going on in Adobe for the particular role. So basically, for software, I I am in a tech role and software role, so I want that offer. Then I had talked, the AccuJob mentor has called me. I had guided by them, and of course my tutor, Arvind Java, post. So basically he had also taught how things work and how the things will ask in the interviews and everything he has told. And honestly telling, 80% of the mentor's point was right. Everything that he has told was asked in the interview. So basically the mentors here are much experienced and read, let's say. So that was the thing I had got the interview. Then the first round, of course, then was a hackathon test. Second round was a GD round or communication round. The GD round, of course, that was given a topic, multiple topic, like what is the evolution of AI and multiple things. Then there was tech rounds, multiple tech rounds was there. So we see tech round. Yeah, tech round basically is the most difficult in any company. But thanks to my mentor in AccuJob, because he has taught me so well that I can crack all the interviews in a very easy manner. Like it's like, yeah, it was tough, but not much tough for me. So thanks to the AccuJob.
I think guidance due a lot, which also makes me question something, that how were you introduced to AccuJob? मतलब आपको कैसे पता चला कि AccuJob exist करता है? Because there are a lot of companies in this field working, and how did you choose Accu as your sector, and like, this is where I'm going to be?
So basically AccuJob, जैसे कि हमें पता है, they openly create a free hiring drives. So basically मुझे ये चीज़ इनिशिएटिव अच्छा लगा AccuJob का, दैट वो उस बच्चों को भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे रहे हैं जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते फीस। मुझे लगा दैट ये एक बहुत अच्छा कोचिंग सेंटर है, अभी तक किसी ने ये चीज़ सोचा नहीं था। इट वॉज अ क्वेश्चन। सो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा। एंड द CEO, ऑफ कोर्स CEO की जो बातें हैं वो बहुत अच्छी है, सपोर्टिंग है सबसे। एंड ऑफ IIT के
We have 4 founders. Which one do you think, मतलब आपको सबसे ज़्यादा आपने किसकी सुनी और आपको लगा कि okay, this person I am going to like stick to. He is someone.
The IIT Delhi CEO.
Okay, the all of them are from IIT Delhi.
Yeah, so basically CTO and CEO both are the one. I had gone once in Noida office, then CTO. I met your CTO. He was also very great. Like I was having a problem in some concept. He has solved that issue at that particular moment.
I would actually like to hear about that. I think you met Yash.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
See.
So tell us about your interaction with Yash? Because see, one thing that I have seen with working with him, that he's very involved with the business side and the students' feedback, etc. So I would love to know how was it for you when you communicated a problem or a struggle that you were facing, or maybe a suggestion.
Okay, so basically, I had got Yash number from LinkedIn. I had approached him and he has replied back. So basically, he was the one who has taken me to the active job and told that, yeah, it is guaranteed your placement will be there. He has taken a mock interview and told that, yeah, your interview, you can crack the big company. If you come in active job, you can crack the big company. So I was like, yeah, pakka sir, ho jayega. Then he told, yeah, of course. Don't panic, don't take tension, just focus. And he has motivated me the most. So basically, तब मैंने active job join किया and then success.
That is a very good story. Another thing that I want to ask you is, what were the struggles that you were facing before joining IQ job? Because अभी जैसे आपने बोला कि you were finding कि यार मेरे को आप मतलब assistance चाहिए, and then you reached out to Yash. So there might be something that you felt was lacking, or something that there was a gap that you wanted to fill. So what were the struggles before IQ job?
Basically, ma'am, everywhere where I applied, I got rejected in the first resume shortlisting round only. Because our resume not so much good that we can crack in big companies, and mostly inner references and everything is there. So basically, we can't go directly. So actual job is like a stairs for me from going top to bottom.
Abhi, जैसे I just wanted to know कि what is the advice that you would also like to give to people who are starting out, or who are students who are working in trying to crack jobs. So what is one tip that you would give from your experience?
Just focus on basics. The main thing in any technology, in any field, is the basic structure. If you have strong basics, you can solve any DSA questions, any question that you want. So basically, focus on basics. This is the thing.
Okay. The last question would be, I just wanted to know one more and we'll wrap this interview, was is there any suggestion or any tip or anything that you would like to recommend to AccuJob so that we can also get better for the upcoming batch of students?
Everything is all right only because what I had seen that across 40 students or 20 students batch are there first session. So that's a very good thing, because mostly institute offer 300 students in one batch and 200 students. So that means a hush posh. So basically, AccuJob gives the chance to open mic also, and you can directly ask your question to the mentor without not just typing. You can speak also in that. So this is the best thing. And talking about suggestions, so basically, mentors are also perfect. I think suggestions. So I can't be, because it's the best.
I am so glad, and again, congratulations, Sushant. I think it is a very big company. Adobe is something that a lot of people, like even non-tech people, are also like want to work with Adobe, and I think it's a very big achievement. And congratulations to you. It's all your effort. You were there and you put in so much. So congratulations, and we'll wrap this interview.